Hello guys, Computer Fanboy here, / Cluedier Hacker, depending on what account you're watching. Now today I actually have a question for you guys out there. Now I have Parallels Desktop 5, and works quite good. As you can see, I have the spaces set to education. This program is actually called Spaces. It separates your... So, I'm going to drag this over here. By the way, the reason why you're not seeing the other screen is because... the dock is because it's on a separate monitor, so I'm just going to drag this over here. Now, I'm going to launch Ubuntu Linux, and this is my main question. So I'm going to start it up. And for all intents purposes, I'm going to view this in full screen once it starts up. By the way, this is, if you guys are interested, this is on a removable NTFS hard drive. Yes, that's correct, NTFS. I got the NTFS from Mac, which is not the reason why I'm asking you this question. So hold on guys, please bear with me while this loads. Here we go. It does take quite a bit of time to load this, but it's worth it. Alright, anyways, back to the Ubuntu desktop here, and as I've stated before in my Computer Fanboy ones, I'm not a fanboy of Mac, Linux, or OS X, or Windows, what am I saying? However, I'm trying to run Ubuntu, and so far I've been pretty successful in doing so. However, the only unsuccessful thing, yes, it's an awesome Firefox person is the fact that when I basically try to view a video, I'll show you this. Alright, say I search something like Pink Floyd or anything, for example. Pink Floyd. By the way, Roger Waters, in case you guys didn't know, is doing a tour of The Wall. If you do know who Pink Floyd is, they're pretty decent album, really decent. Now, I gotta play this, okay? Notice how it's skipping? If I pull below, it's skipping. Now, I can reportedly say that the 8.0 didn't have this issue, so it's nothing to do with my hard drive until I started upgrading. And this is, if you're wondering how I got this skin, and I didn't mean to do that, it's actually not really a skin. It's called Ubuntu Ultimate Edition. That could be one reason, but I've tried to install Ubuntu regular version before, and I've had this issue as well. If you guys know how to fix this sound issue, that would be great, because right now I'm just stuck with an operating system that is awesome, by the way. And I definitely recommend people to dual boot with this for Windows if they want sort of a Mac experience or similar. This is kind of awesome. Not to mention, there's little add-ons that you can get the Macintosh bar. And what's really cool in Windows or Mac can't do this is this little effect that they've added right here. And it's kind of cool. If partially because the screen program I'm recording uses space here, but as you can see, Windows, you can't do that little cool effect, and unfortunately you can't do it well under Ubuntu when it's recording, but it's actually working out. And it also works very similar to OS X 2 or OS 10 as people like to call it, but it's a great operating system for people who only surf the net and do programming especially. I mean, there's so much stuff for programming, it's unbelievable. As well as what I like is the Office suites that it comes with. The graphics, you can program your own games in here without an issue. It's really an awesome system. If you want to plan on dual booting, I'd recommend doing it just to get a different feel of what a different operating system looks like other than Windows and Mac. And I will be doing review on products. The problem is I don't have my sound working correctly. So if you guys know how to solve this problem or have run, Ubuntu Linux before and had this issue, if you guys could let me know what the sound skipping issue is. It could be because of the tools. It could be because the tools need to be upgraded. I don't know. So that's why I'm reaching for you guys for help. But other than that, I really appreciate this system. I can view my email on here. I can set up my email. It works really, really well. And that's why there's some programs on there that I'd like to get. You couldn't even come close to for Windows for free, too. The whole thing about Ubuntu is it's free, guys. If you're considering running Windows illegal, don't. I mean, if you are if you like surfing the web, if you like playing a bit of games but not a pure gamer, or just only surf the web and do emails, then Ubuntu Linux is the operating system for you, as well as light core gaming. And you can even emulate Windows under here using Wine, which works to it actually works sometimes, actually, believe it or not. It does work pretty well. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I am Computer Hacker / Computer Fanboy, whatever account you're on. I happen to have more subscribers on the Computer Hacker account. However, I would like you guys to subscribe to my Computer Fanboy account, because it's mainly going to be a migrate. That's my whole point of having the Computer Fanboy. But anyways, guys, like I said, I'm not a fanboy of any operating system. I just like them all because each one has something good about it. Mac, Windows, Linux, other operating systems that, like the iPhone operating system, Nintendo DS operating system. By the way, my sister's, not mine. Anyways, each Xbox operating system, technically an operating system could be anything that runs your devices. So, the Palm OS, the Wii OS, they've got plenty of stuff like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and definitely subscribe to either account. I do respond to videos quite often, and sometimes I make videos for people who need help with something. So, this new thing I'm starting up, if you guys want to do that, you can send me emails on how to do stuff. I'm not that smart when it comes to Ubuntu, so please don't quote me, but as far as Windows and Mac goes, I'm really good with Windows, and I'm pretty decent at Mac. So, if you guys have any Windows, Mac, or basic Linux questions, I can definitely help you out with basic stuff with Linux. But as far as advanced stuff with Windows and Mac goes, I'm probably sure I can help you up to an extent. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Computer Fanboy and Computer Hacker, and definitely subscribe, and have a great day.